In a dramatic turn of events, a federal judge has slammed the brakes on Secretary of Homeland Security, Kristi Noem's, attempt to strip hundreds of thousands of Venezuelans and Haitians of their temporary legal protections. But here's where it gets controversial. U.S. District Judge Edward Chen ruled that Noem's move to revoke the Biden administration's extensions of Temporary Protected Status, TPS, was not only arbitrary and capricious, but also a blatant overreach of her authority. This decision, laid out in a detailed 69-page opinion, underscores a clash between administrative power and judicial oversight that's sure to spark debate. Chen, an Obama appointee serving in San Francisco, didn't hold back. He declared, the Secretary's action in revoking TPS was not only unprecedented in its manner and speed, but also violates the law. This ruling isn't just a legal technicality, it's a lifeline for over 1.1 million people who rely on TPS to live and work in the U.S., while their home countries grapple with crises like armed conflict, natural disasters, and political instability. The TPS program, designed to offer temporary relief to migrants unable to return home safely, has long been a point of contention. Noem's administration argued that conditions in Venezuela and Haiti had improved, justifying the termination of protections. And this is the part most people miss. The Department of Homeland Security went further, claiming the program has been abused, exploited, and politicized as a de facto amnesty program, especially under the Biden administration's immigration policies. A spokesperson stated, "For decades, TPS has been misused, posing risks given the millions of unvetted illegal aliens allowed into this country." But Chen's ruling challenges this narrative, asserting that Noem's actions were unlawful. The judge also addressed the Supreme Court's earlier intervention in favor of the Trump administration, clarifying that it didn't prevent him from issuing a permanent ruling now. He acknowledged the case will likely head back to the Supreme Court, setting the stage for another high-stakes legal battle. The Department of Homeland Security responded defiantly, vowing to use every legal option to overturn the decision. Their statement concluded with a bold assertion: "Under God, the people rule. Unelected activist judges cannot stop the will of the American people for a safe and secure homeland." This case isn't just about TPS. It's a proxy war over immigration policy, judicial authority, and the limits of executive power. Here's the real question. Is TPS a vital humanitarian tool, or a flawed system ripe for abuse? And who gets to decide its future? Meanwhile, separate lawsuits are ongoing over TPS protections for individuals from Afghanistan, Cameroon, Honduras, Nepal, and Nicaragua, adding another layer of complexity to this already heated debate. As the legal battles continue, one thing is clear: the fate of millions hangs in the balance, and the conversation is far from over. What do you think? Is Judge Chen's ruling a necessary check on executive overreach, or does it undermine efforts to secure the nation's borders? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments.